Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. It's Curvy Grace back with another video. So today is a hair collaboration video with Angie Queen here. It is an Aliexpress company. They have really affordable prices, so make sure you all check them out. The information about the wig will be down in the description bar along with their website for you all to check them out. The wig that I have today, well, first of all, let me show you all the packaging because I know some of y'all be like, what the packaging look like? So this is what the box looked like. They advised me that they are a new company. It says, Your Present Design Studio, the relentless pursuit of perfection. In the box, it has the unit. And this is a 24-inch deep wave unit with a 4x4 closure, Peruvian here. Now it does come with this piece of stuffing in the middle, along with the hairnet. And the density is 150. Since I got a bald head, I really don't like super thick hair anymore. I still want to like feel the wind on my scalp even though I'm wearing a wig. This is what the closure looks like inside. I'm not gonna bleach it. It does have two combs right here, which is no use to me. And then it has a comb in the back and then the adjustable straps. Okay, so before we do anything with the hair, this is what it looks like. The cap fits really well. For some extra support, since I don't have any hair, I am gonna tighten the back of it. I take the strap, and when I'm tightening mine, I take the straps loose. Okay, so I have the two straps loose. This is the back down here. And what I do, so this strap is right here. I'll pull it all the way over and secure it here, and pull this one all the way over and secure it here. So it ends up looking like an X in the back, if you see that. Yeah, that does make it a whole lot more secure. The curls just coming out of the box, I love it. So this is where it stops for me, right here. So it seems pretty true to length, but you know, with deep curl hair, it shrinks. It is soft. My fingers is running straight through it. I'm gonna try this with the middle part. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do right now is just put some Gots to Be to secure the front, and then I'll part it and pluck it to make it look more natural. It doesn't look like the hairline was plucked at all. As you can see, it's just kind of like, this is the beginning and it's like a full hairline. So we're gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace. I'm gonna cut this lace and then come back to y'all. finished look. I didn't pluck the part anymore just because the hair, it does shed, and I didn't want to thin it out any more than it already is because it's only 150 density. But I love this look. Call me, I'm trying to think of a Spanish name. Call me Maria, Sophia, Teresa. I be feeling like I have an alter ego when I have deep wave hearing. So at this point, I did have some shedding. There was a little bit of tangling just initially brushing through it, which is normal with deep wave hair. I do feel like the hair was true to length. What would I rate this hair out of on a 1 to 10 scale? I would give it an 8. The hair did not have any kind of smell. It did have the natural color to it, so I didn't dye the hair at all. As you can see, it was straight out the box on my head. Now, the reason I added mousse is because with deep wave hair, once you wet it, it does get small, but then as it dries, it gets really big. So with the mousse, that helps keep it tamed and it gives it the wet look, which is the look I'm always going for with deep wave hair. So the wig is a bop, sis. Now, since I'm bald, you can see this little area right here. But for people with hair, you can probably leave your hair out right here and then have it flying back, giving you the natural look. But I would never do that. As far as moving the hair back, I'm probably just gonna just let it hang straight down. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you check out Angie Queen here. The website will be down in the description bar. Again, they're our Aliexpress company. Make sure once you subscribe, you click the bell to be notified.